Electrolux dryer won't start. Troubleshooting and solutions. Having a dryer that won't start can be frustrating, especially when you have a pile of laundry waiting to be dried. If you own an Electrolux dryer and are experiencing this issue, you're not alone. Many users have encountered the problem of their Electrolux dryer not starting, or it simply beeping without any action. In this article, we will explore some common troubleshooting examples and provide solution suggestions to help you get your dryer up and running again. Before diving into the solutions, it's important to understand the potential causes behind your Electrolux dryer not starting. Here are some common issues users have encountered. Power supply. Ensure that your dryer is properly plugged into a functioning power outlet. Check if there is power in the outlet by plugging in another device. Door switch. The door switch is a safety feature that prevents the dryer from starting if the door is open. Make sure the door is fully closed and the switch is not damaged or stuck. Control board. A faulty control board can prevent the dryer from starting. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. Thermal fuse. The thermal fuse is a safety device that shuts off power to the dryer if it overheats. If the fuse is blown, the dryer won't start. Check the fuse for continuity using a multimeter. Start switch. The start switch initiates the drying cycle. If it is defective, the dryer won't start. Test the switch for continuity using a multimeter. Now that we have identified some potential causes, let's explore the solutions to get your Electrolux dryer up and running. 1. Check the power supply. Start by ensuring that your dryer is properly plugged into a functioning power outlet. If the outlet is working, try plugging in another device to confirm. If there is no power, check the circuit breaker or fuse box to see if a circuit has tripped or a fuse has blown. Reset or replace as necessary. 2. Inspect the door switch. Make sure the dryer door is fully closed and latched. If the door switch is damaged or stuck, it may not register that the door is closed, preventing the dryer from starting. Inspect the switch for any signs of damage or debris. Clean or replace the switch if necessary. 3. Examine the control board. Inspect the control board for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be necessary to replace the control board. Consult the user manual or contact Electrolux customer support for guidance on obtaining a replacement part. 4. Test the thermal fuse. Locate the thermal fuse, usually found on the blower housing or exhaust duct. Use a multimeter to test the fuse for continuity. If there is no continuity, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. It is important to identify and fix the underlying cause of the overheating to prevent future fuse failures. 5. Check the start switch. Using a multimeter, test the start switch for continuity. If there is no continuity when the switch is pressed, it is likely defective and needs to be replaced. Consult the user manual or contact Electrolux customer support for assistance in obtaining a replacement start switch. If you have identified a faulty component in your Electrolux dryer, you may need to replace it. Here are some common replacement parts you may require: door switch, control board, thermal fuse, start switch. It is recommended to purchase genuine Electrolux replacement parts to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. You can find these parts at authorized Electrolux dealers, online retailers, or through the official Electrolux website. If you have tried the troubleshooting steps mentioned above and your Electrolux dryer still won't start, it may be time to call for professional assistance. Authorized service centers are equipped with the knowledge and expertise to diagnose and repair complex issues. In the United States, Electrolux has service centers in many provinces, making it convenient for users to access support. To find the nearest service center, visit the official Electrolux website and look for the contact information or call center specified. They will guide you to the appropriate service center based on your location. Dealing with an Electrolux dryer that won't start can be frustrating, but with the right troubleshooting steps, you can often identify and resolve the issue. Remember to check the power supply, inspect the door switch, examine the control board, test the thermal fuse, and check the start switch. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to an authorized service center for professional assistance. By following these steps, you can get your Electrolux dryer back up and running efficiently, ensuring your laundry is dried in no time.